Your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 might be recording fine, but if the grid lines aren't on, it can be hard to frame your shots perfectly. Many users don't know how to toggle this feature. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off the grid lines on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's learn it right now. First, turn on the camera. Swipe down to bring the menu options. Now tap on the gear icon. Scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on the reference line under the sounds option. Now, just simply toggle on the grid. Here, another toggle that adds diagonal lines, which can be helpful for dynamic composition. Once you have enabled it, you can exit the menu by tapping cross icon, and here you will see the grid lines overlaid on your live view screen. To turn them off, simply follow the same steps and toggle the grid option to off. And that's how you can turn on or off the grid lines on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.